Take a canvas and fold it in half and mark on 3, then mark on 6 as well, and make a rectangle. Now at this point, mark on 10 and draw a straight guideline. Its width is 1 inch. At the corner of that rectangle, I draw 1 inch long line. This will help me to draw a curve. This is French curve tool. You can draw a very perfect curve with this. Instead of this French curve tool, you can draw guideline for your neckline with the help of inch tape as well. I am taking 1 inch from starting and slowly rotate this line in order to make the perfect curve for my neckline. Now again draw a guideline next to the first line and rotate it and make a curve. Now cut it out this neckline from the canvas. Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. I'm giving a small cut to that long part of my neckline. You also do the same. Right now I'm not cutting it from here. This is the time to paste this neckline onto my shirt. This shiny part will go down, and then I will paste this neckline with the help of iron. I fold this shirt in half and then press it. This is the wrong side of shirt. I am using this technique. Through this technique, I will keep my neckline straight and it will paste easily. Leave 0.5 centimeter and remove the extra fabric. I'm not cutting it from the center also right now. This is the contrast fabric. I am cutting 2 inches long slanted strips. Please cut the slanted strips instead of straight strips. This is the time to show this neckline. This is the 10 inches long straight strip. I will apply it onto my neckline also. Now set your machine. That slanted strip will go right side of the shirt. One thing keep in mind, you should keep your presser foot onto the canvas corner edge like that. Now sew carefully and slowly. At every corner edge of your neckline, lift up your presser bar lifter. Don't rotate your presser foot, rotate your fabric, and make sure your needle should down inside like that. You can see that I cut the center part of neckline. Now notch it very carefully. Now it's time to fold the that contrast fabric to the wrong side and then make a lace like that. Now sew at the border line of contrast fabric lace. Make sure your needle won't cross the border of lace. On the opening part of my neckline, I will apply that 10 inches long strip which we prepared before. This is the straight strips, its length is 10 inches and width is 2 inches. Please note that again, at every corner of your neckline, the machine needle will not come out. That should be down, and you should rotate your fabric instead of presser foot. Please follow every step, then you can easily make this kind of neckline. In the beginning you feel little hard, but after practice you can do every step very easily. After that, fold that neckline on the wrong side with the help of iron, and then after that sew. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and share this video with your friends and family. Please visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.